Hey everyone, Mike from LA1 here. So, we got some 4th of July fireworks here for you. So let's not waste any time. Let's go. There you see, we got a ton of... Whoa! We're not even like 30 seconds into this fireworks show and already we're getting some good ones. Here's hoping we do not get any ones that set off car alarms. We've already got that happen already. Very nice. Sorry about that, folks. Oh, we got a couple of good ones over here. Huh. Nice, here we go. We're getting the big boys. Well, that sucked. Seriously, are you kidding? There we go. faster. Woo! Nice. Getting some good ones here tonight. Whoa, look at all that smoke. From debris from the neighbors. Oh man. And there's the car alarm. You can cross that off your list. Might as well get a couple of shots because right now my camera software is refusing to work with me here. As the smoke from the last round that you missed. Car alarm, down your drinks. I'll give them credit, at least they're turning it off immediately. Oh, nice. Here we go. We got some good dual shots here. And as soon as I talk about it, it's gone. Woo! Yeah, look at all the smoke going on over there. Nice. There we go. Got some more big ones for you. There we go. I should have given up a little too early. But we got some more there for you. There we go. neighbors know how to put on a good show. Alright, so we reached the 10-minute mark of this video, so why don't we do one more round give away more fireworks for you guys so I can end this video off proper. And this is the last chance for some good car alarm ones. Ready? Yeah, look at this smoke of these things. There we go. Oh! Hopefully that did not hit someone or a car. Look at that finale. Well, I think that's a good way to end that. Alright everyone, so that concludes our 4th of July video, the annual tradition that we have here on the channel. Best part is, things are starting to get back to normal around here. With all the fireworks going off, and Disney announcing today was the first day for the fireworks for Disney. Hopefully we'll try and get back there as soon as possible. Thank you guys for your patience. Hope you guys had a great 4th of July. And I'll see you guys in the next video, which will probably be the Knott's vlog. Or probably it'll be airing after that, probably. So, yeah, this is going to go on for the rest of the night. Because the city doesn't do a damn thing. Because the citizens in this town are complete assholes. Good night, everybody.